Getting your sound up. This is actually really important. I don't know if you guys hear this, but there's this loud screeching noise. And could be a skinwalker, you never know. It just stopped, so. It's been like this for almost an hour that we've been painting. Right when I record it, it just doesn't go. That is it, right there. I think everybody heard that screeching noise. There's a person right there, but it'll come back in a little bit, but